So today I got asked by one of my coworkers how the yield statement works. I thought I'd throw together a quick little fiddle that shows and explains what the yield statement does and the order of operations as code actually runs. First thing I did was I defined a function called numbers, which is going to loop through just a range, numbers 0 through 5. And we're going to print the order of operation before we actually yield out the code. We are then going to yield out that number, and then we are going to print the code afterwards. And at the end of this line, we're just going to loop through numbers, so we're calling the function we defined up here, and we are going to print the number itself. So let's run this. You can see on the right, it says, hey, we're in numbers, so in the numbers function before 0. Then we run the code down below. Then we run the code up above that says in numbers after 0. Then we loop through this loop. We start in numbers before again. We yield out the number. We do it again. So that just repeats. So after 0 before 1, after 1 before 2, after 2 before 3, until we run out of things that we yielded through, which was 4 would be the last one, and we're done. Hopefully that helped you understand a little bit of better understanding of how the yield statement works.